Inside your update stats function, update the text content for the current round roles text. Current rounds, oh, we do indeed have a current round roles text variable. So we should access that one and then interpolate the text content to modify the content of this variable, which is an element, by the way, as you can see. And then we should assign it to a string, which is, wait, by assigning role, what? Inside your update stats, okay, update the text content for the current roles text by assigning roles. Okay, so we should do that. And then below that, update the text content for the current round text. Current round, what? Text with text content, assigning the round. Yay. Nice.